In this demo, I'll be presenting a few cases in which WalkMe can solve business problems through automation and guidance. Here are the business objectives for this project. Increase data integrity within IT procurement, decrease errors on system, increase user efficiency through automation, and enhance overall satisfaction. In this first example, when users click the Mark Complete option on the first task, they are then required to update the sourcing strategy by clicking various options to navigate through Ariba. However, users are unable to find the option or are not aware that the update is required to progress. To help with this, WalkMe will trigger and give the user three options. The first two are the most frequently used, and the final allows the user to pick out of the many other options. Once a button is clicked, the automation starts and sets the sourcing strategy for the user. The next example is one of data errors. Once the user has set a sourcing strategy which has been approved, the user may find that the owner of the second and third tasks do not match. This creates data discrepancies further down the line. If this is the case, the user is able to click the second option and have WalkMe automatically change the owner to the correct name, as can be seen. Another business problem is when users have to fill a field with data from multiple locations. In contract workspaces, users were not sure of A, what information was required, and B, where to find the information. Once the user gets to review the contract with legal, WalkMe will trigger and give the user an option to allow us to auto-complete by clicking either Submit or Cancel. Here we click Submit, which takes the user to the next page and allows them to type an initial message before submitting. Once that is complete, we arrive at Approve the Contract Gate 2. WalkMe triggers, however this time, when we click the Action button, WalkMe will gather important information from different tabs and output them into the required field, saving the user valuable time and eliminating data errors. Here are the business outcomes for this project. In the second example, WalkMe was used to auto-populate the owner field of a task. 2 months after the WalkMe implementation, we see a 319% increase in interactions with the field. In the final example, WalkMe gathered information from different tabs and outputted them into a description box. Here we see a 189% increase in interactions from 112 to 324. Finally, the user satisfaction 2 months after WalkMe implementation is 56% higher than targeted, with an NPS score of 47.